Hey everybody, we're gonna attempt a new idea here. What we're gonna attempt to make is we're gonna try and make some wheat flour, but we're gonna make it in the blender. I was filling up a 2-liter bottle with some wheat I got from Walmart the other day, but that's a video for another day. And I end up with just a smidgen left over. So what we're gonna try and do is we're gonna see if we can make some flour out of this. If y'all can see it's pretty coarse right now, but I'm not exactly expecting to get super fine granules doing this, considering it's just a blender. Now it's getting a little bit finer. I think the key factor to this is just going to be patience. Really, it's only been a couple minutes, I guess, though, so I shouldn't complain too much. Oh yeah, that's definitely flour consistency now. So maybe I've been about 5 minutes here, and we've got a small amount. It's only about a cup, but I figured for an experiment it wasn't worth digging into my preps. So we'll have it go just a little bit longer, just make sure it's good and floured up. Alright, let's get a little bit out here and see what we got. You can see that there. It's very... I honestly don't know what the consistency is supposed to be for wheat flour. This is the first time I've ever even used it or seen it, but considering it's I think a $25–$30 blender from Menards, and sure beats the cost of buying a, I don't know, a couple $100 or $50, even $75 wheat grinders I've seen online. And you could probably do this with a coffee grinder too. I just don't have a coffee grinder as usual. I use what I got. I'm gonna use this for a bread recipe tonight. It's not gonna be all the flour I use, but it'll be partially wheat flour, wheat bread anyway.